First, we'll be making a 360-degree flare. You can attach this to any part of your garment. Let's assume the circumference is 18 inches for the waist. You will divide this by 6.25, the mathematical formula for getting a circle. Divide that and you'll get 2.88 as your resulting answer. Add the length of the flare, our desired length, and here it is 5 inches. Then add 1 inch seam allowance, half inch to hem the flare and half inch to attach it to any part of the garment. And adding all that together, we'll have 8.88. Approximate that to 9. So you'll be needing 19 inches horizontally and vertically. Then you place the fabric on fold. Ensure you have your 9 inches there and 19 inches as the length. Then you place it on fold again. Make sure everything is laying nice and flat. Place the radius of 2.88 on the all folded side of the fabric. That is 2.88 on the tape measure. Then you place it on the all folded area. Mark it all around and connect your lines. Place your length of 6 inches after the radius line and connect again. Then you cut. Here is the full circle done. You can decide to cut out one part, especially when you are placing this on the waist. Next, we'll make the 180-degree flare. You're placing this on fold once. Now assume once again your circumference is 18 inches. You'll be dividing this by 3.14. That is the mathematical formula to use. The radius here is 5.7 and we'll add 6 inches for the length and 1 inch for the seam allowance. We'll get 12.7, approximate that to 13. You will need 26 inches horizontally. Place it on fold. Then you will need 13 inches lengthwise. We will get this 13 inches now on a straight line, and the next thing we will do is to mark out the radius on the folded side. The radius is 5.7 for this one, and that's 5.7 on the tape measure. Then you place your 5.7 all around and connect your point. Next, we'll mark our desired length of 7 inches, and you keep marking 7 inches after the radius line and connect your points. Then you cut. So here is the 180-degree flare. It is usually not as full as a 360-degree flare. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.